Alrighty guys, well, so as you can see, we have got the bees. The girls are here. I'm really excited. So we're gonna take the queen out right now. I'm gonna put her in her own little, I'm gonna put on her frame, and then I'll sugar them down again, and then I'll put them in there. So you guys get the finished product. So here we go. I know it's a little later in the day, so I know they're stressed out. So I'm gonna try to do this as quick and efficient as possible. They came a day early, so I'm really excited. Really excited. Awesome. Look at these guys. This is cool. It's like you know you have the suit on, but you're so afraid still. It's hilarious. Take that. We've got this little cork here. Take out the cork on top. And there's a sugar cube. Oh, there's not a sugar cube. Normally there's a sugar cube right there, but There's a side with like a sugar cube in there. And so that's the side that she will eventually eat out of, and that way she'll be able to join the rest of the hive. Alright, I know you guys are stressing. I know. I got her. I'm not gonna hurt her. I'm not gonna hurt her. So then you set her in like this, just keep her in, she'll eat out of that sugar cube and she will be exposed. Careful not to crush any of your bees. And sugar them down again. Little dump and go process. Careful not to hurt any of them, or careful not to squish any of them. Slowly put your frames back. You want them tight. One more good. And a few extra is not going to hurt as long as you, when you leave them out, leave the opening towards the opening of your box, and they'll slowly all migrate in. Ever had 10,000 lives in your hand, just afraid to hurt any of them? Kind of wild. It's awesome. This is surreal. By far one of the coolest things I've ever done. This is awesome. This is what it's about. So yeah, over the next few hours, they'll all just start slowly migrating in. See a little hatch down there, and there's a hatch up top too. They can kind of sneak in at. Awesome, man. This is so cool. I'll let them kind of settle in. In about 2 weeks, they will fully surround the queen, get near, get close to her, and then yeah, this hive will be thriving. Absolutely cool. Thank you all. Hey, thank you all so much for being here. I'm like ecstatic. This is the coolest thing I've done. Really, it's awesome. This is a beautiful thing. So enjoy. I'm gonna keep doing this. I'm gonna put the glasses on in a second, but really the coolest thing I've ever done. Again, thank you all so much for being here. It's a blessing through and through. Questions, concerns, tell me how I did. Tell me what I can do better. It's awesome. I'm like ecstatic. I'm shaking. It's so much fun. It's really cool. I'm so happy for them. I hope they love it. I hope I take care of them well. So enjoy. the sound is awesome. The sound is so cool. Definitely a little choppy. Could have done a little bit better on the release, but they're at least they found the hole, so that's good. They're trying to slowly but surely make their way in there. Beautiful. This is so cool. This is life. The camera doesn't do it justice. The sound. The sound is so cool. All right, I don't want to stress them out. I'm gonna get out of here. I'll let you guys see it in a little bit. I'll come back out here in about an hour or so. See how it changes. It's hilarious. My dog could absolutely care less. He's just hanging out. So cool. But yeah, there you have it, guys. Let me know how I did. Seriously, this is awesome. God bless. Y'all have a great night. So freaking cool. I'm dripping in sweat, but that was the coolest experience. One of the coolest experiences I've ever had. my life. The coolest thing I've ever experienced.
Really?
Yes.
It looked wild.
I want to get you a freaking suit.
Got jumping spider back.
Huh?
So we got our jumping spider back.
Did we? Come on, get in.
She was eating grass. I see it. You had hella bees swarming around you.
I know.
Is it fun?
It's so much fun.
Are the pheromone guys out? Did you see them?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, they were like shaking
They're
their
doing
butts.
their thing?
Yeah, shaking their butts.
So the queen's inside?
Yeah, queen's inside.
Look, they're all going up. You see them?
Oh,
You can see them on the side of it.
oh, into the thing? Yeah.
They're climbing up.
Yeah.
Good?
Yeah. So cool.
Feel good about it?
I do. I could have definitely